Good day, can you tell me about yourself?
Hi, my name is Francie Galicia Amante. I am 38 years old. I came from San Isidro Buhi, Camarines Sur. I am a single mother.
Do you have kids?
Yes, I have a 17 years old son.
How many siblings do you have?
We are 4 siblings. I am the second to the oldest.
Tell me about your educational background.
I am a high school graduate.
Do you have work experience abroad?
Yes, I have. I work in Kuwait for 3 years. My duties are cooking, cleaning, laundry, and taking care of the special child. I am finished contract. My second work experience is in Hong Kong. I worked there for 2 years. My duties are cooking, cleaning, laundry, and take the child to school. I am finished contract. My third work experience is in Macau. I worked there for 6 years. My duties are cooking, cleaning, laundry. I am finished contract.
How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, loyal, and hard worker.
Do you have any tattoo in your body?
No,
Did you undergo to any kind of surgery?
no.
Why do you want to work abroad?
To support my family financially?
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
No.
Give me your idea, how can you take care of naughty children and children with tattoos?
I will talk to them about it in a calm voice. I will read them books and stories.
What is your message to your future employer?
Their future employer, I promise that I will do my best to be a good worker. I will assure you that I am honest, loyal, and can do multitasking. Thank you.
Thank you.